What is a not guilty plea in criminal court? Imagine standing before a judge and jury, facing serious accusations, yet choosing to declare that you are not admitting guilt. This decision is a fundamental part of the criminal justice process and carries significant implications. When someone enters a not guilty plea, they are formally asserting that they do not believe they committed the crime they are charged with. This plea does not mean innocence. Rather, it indicates that the defendant disputes the charges and intends to contest the case through the trial process. In most criminal cases, the defendant is given the opportunity to enter a plea at their arraignment, which is the initial court appearance following arrest. During this hearing, the judge asks the defendant how they plead to the charges listed in the complaint or indictment. A plea of not guilty is the most common response, especially in cases where the defendant wishes to challenge the evidence or seek a fair trial. Choosing a not guilty plea triggers a series of legal procedures. The case proceeds to a pretrial phase where both sides can exchange evidence, file motions, and prepare for trial. The prosecution bears the burden of proving the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defendant, on the other hand, has the right to present evidence, call witnesses, and challenge the prosecution's case. It is important to understand that a not guilty plea does not imply innocence. It is a legal stance that ensures the defendant's right to a fair trial. If the case goes to trial and the jury finds the defendant guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, a conviction will be entered. Conversely, if the jury cannot reach a unanimous decision, a mistrial may be declared, and the case might be retried or dismissed. In some jurisdictions, a not guilty plea can be entered even if the defendant admits to the act but claims there was a legal justification or defense, such as self-defense or insanity. This plea preserves the defendant's rights and allows the court to evaluate the evidence thoroughly before reaching a verdict. Overall, a not guilty plea is a vital component of the legal process, ensuring that every individual receives a fair opportunity to contest criminal charges and have their case examined impartially.